YouTube, my name is Dakota Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be decluttering my entire closet. I've been waiting to do this, I've been wanting to do this for a while, but the time has come. The reason I'm waiting is because I'm moving and I didn't want to do it until I had to move because I would have to do it twice then. I'm very excited. There's so much from this closet that needs to go. Realistically, I think I can get about a fourth of it gone. I'm hoping to get it closer to a third of the closet. Before we get started, I have a business. It will be in the description box below, and it is Stormy Skies Designs on Etsy. I have a jewelry shop, and this is this week's featured collection. This is the Jingle Bell Christmas collection coming back for another year. This collection is filled with fun, festive pieces perfect for any holiday celebration. This collection is low in stock and will not restock, so make sure to get it while you can on Etsy. My shop name is Stormy Skies Designs. Happy shopping! If you watched my last video, you already know this. My last two closet declutters, I will have them linked in the description and as cards. But I declutter the Marie Kondo style, at least with my closet. I throw everything that I have on the bed, everything from all the drawers, everything from inside the dresser, and I declutter from there. But before I throw everything on this bed, let me show you what we're working with. This is my closet. I know it's double-sided. I only use this side. So from here over is all my clothes. These are not mine. And it goes all the way back to there. And none of those are hangers. Those are all clothes. So it's gotten pretty bad. My shoes are down there. My boyfriend's shoes are in the front, but mine are all on the rack. I'll have to go through those today as well. This is the first set of dresser drawers. This is all my pajamas. This drawer is actually kind of organized. These are my skirts and these are my shorts. This is all fabric. That is not part of this. This is my other dresser. My first drawer is all of my undergarments, swimsuits, socks, everything. I've abandoned any system of organization in that top drawer. I gotta fix that today. Drawer number 2. These are all my t-shirts and tank tops. And then over here I have my sweaters. This bottom drawer looks a little emptier than it normally is because I, oh gosh, have some jeans that are in the wash right now. But pretty much that's all that's dirty. These are all my darks. And normally these are all my lights, but I guess my sweatpants are coming over here too, and then these are all sweatpants and leggings. Now that you guys have seen the damage, it's a lot worse than my last video. I'm gonna throw everything on the bed and I'm gonna start going through it. No! I lost everything, pretty much, gosh. Even all in frame. Okay, it's all in frame, but God, it's so much. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible, so I probably won't talk through it that much. I'm gonna put all of my keeps over here and all my declutters over here, and anything I have to try on will go down here. Maybe I'll just throw the keeps here for the moment. Keeps, declutters, try on. These are some easy declutters. All of these black button-up shirts from when I used to waitress can go, except the one I'm wearing. I really like this one. I might hang up all of the definite keeps and just see how many I have. Maybe I can just do without any of the maybes. Remember I said in my last video, if it's not a hell yes, it's a no. And I really should try to do that because I'm trying to move and get everything as small as possible. So I should try to really implement that. Look at these shorts I found at the thrift store. Aren't these the coolest things you've ever seen in your life? Oh my gosh. As I was ending, I realized that you couldn't really see these, but they're friend shorts, and they have phrases such as, "You're my lobster," "We were on a break," and "How you doing?" These are so cool. I love them. Keep. I'm gonna try is to only keep 5 to 7 of these. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but that's my goal. If you guys don't know, I live in the Midwest, and it's very, very cold here. So obviously I need something to keep me warm, but I don't really want to be wearing hoodies. This is crazy. This is insane. I want to have nice outfits like the ones like what I'm wearing now. I don't want to be a gross bummy dresser anymore. This one on top, I keep staring at it. I already know I'm never gonna get rid of this. This was my high school show choir jacket, and it's got all of my varsity years on the back. I probably won't talk through this very much because I want to listen to my music and really, really focus on trying to get rid of these. My camera cut out. I'm not exactly sure when, but I was trying to go through these hoodies and I'm really failing. You know what? I think I'm just gonna keep all these, at least for the moment, because I really do wear all these. So I guess for the moment, I'm gonna keep them all. Okay, to be fair, I got rid of 4 of them though, so it's not terrible. Now I'm gonna do all this. I won't talk through it. I'll just do it quick. This looks so beautiful, and I wish that my closet would look like this, but it's not gonna look like this because I have all this crap over here. I haven't even put any of the hoodies away, and then I have all this crap over here, and I'm sure there are more shirts in there, so it's not gonna look like my perfect paradise like I want it to look, but I'm gonna try to keep it as small as possible. These on. There are not that many, so I'll just do it off camera, and then I will bring everything on to the bed. Oh, that scares me. It's very scary doing this all in one go, because last time I did it in multiple days, but I don't have multiple days. Want to think about over there in that corner, which is all the shirts that I'm supposed to be keeping that are going to be hung up in my closet, and it's going to ruin my beautiful closet that I've got going on. This is everything other than my underwear that has to go back in the drawers, potentially, because I'm going to go through it. There's still a lot of shirts. There's so many shirts. Why do I have so many shirts? It's actually crazy. So I'm going to straighten out, make sure the camera's set up good, and then get started on this. What clothes are suiting the gothy emo style that I'm really trying to head towards. Obviously I'll keep certain things like this that are outside of that because I do like to dress in pink sometimes, but I want to think about that, and also just doesn't make me feel like a diva, because if it's not doing either of those things, or it's one of my few pieces of comfy clothes that I am going to keep because it should only be a few, then I'm going to get rid of it. Rid of anything in these piles. I feel like I did pretty well, but this is where things are gonna get brutal because I have so many tops. I don't understand. I feel like this is not just a me problem, but why can I wear the same 4 pairs of jeans all winter and I need 200 tops? It doesn't make any sense. So I'm gonna be so brutal about this. So bad. 12 and then 8 tank tops. Okay, that's not so bad. I can work with that. That's manageable. And actually, let's be serious, this is really good because I was struggling to even close the drawer because there was so much stuff. So I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna put all this away. This is the last thing that I have to do. Everything else is done. This is all shirts that would go in a closet, but I'm not allowing myself to keep this many. I have this beautiful, amazing closet right now I showed you guys earlier, and I don't want to ruin that too much. This much cannot go back in the closet. We gotta be ruthless. I need to stop buying dresses for events. I have so many dresses. I'll buy a dress, it'll look pretty on me, and I'll wear it once, but I'll never wear it again because it's not my style, and I need to stop doing that. If I'm gonna buy a new dress, it should be in my style. This dress is so pretty in, but I only wore it one time. Maybe I'll wear it this week because my family reunion is, but no, honestly, like I just need to stop. I need to stop doing that, seriously. I have this one, which is new. I think this is good, actually. I got rid of several things in this file. It's not as amazing as I want it to be, but it should be okay. I'm gonna put this stuff back on the hangers. I put all of my tops back in the closet, and I'll show you guys in a second, but I feel like it literally looks the same. I am very, very tired right now, and I don't think I can do anything more to it right now. So I'll show you guys the results later. Hey guys, so as it turns out, I am very bad at filming outros. I filmed this video in July and it is now December, and I'm finally getting around to editing it and posting it and filming an outro for it. So as you guys probably wanted, here are the results. Woo! Yes, all of the drawers look so amazing. The closet looks so amazing. I ended up going through my shoes off camera, so here's what my shoes look like. And this is the declutter pile. Woo! 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 What's crazy is I just did this and I feel like I already need to declutter my clothes again. So I might post one in a couple months. I'm not sure. Just let me know if you guys enjoyed these and if you want more. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give me a like if you enjoyed it. Share this video if you know anybody else that would enjoy it. Comment down below telling me what you want to see next. If you just need more of me, I have my TikTok and Instagram down below. Also, be sure to check out my Etsy shop. I have a bunch of Christmas jewelry up right now, so please go check it out. Subscribe if you want to see my pretty face every single Wednesday and Saturday. And with all that said, I love you very much, and I'll see you next week. Bye.